3 minus 4x plus x square divided by e power 2x can be written as 3 minus 4x plus x square into e power minus 2x. So we can have this as 3 minus 4x plus x square into the expansion of this e power minus 2x is 1 minus 2x by 1 factorial plus 2x the whole square by 2 factorial minus 2x the whole cube by 3 factorial into plus 2x power 4 by 4 factorial. Again I want to simplify this. Keep this 1 as it is. 2x by 1 factorial is 2x, and here if we square this we can have 4x square. This 2 factorial can be written as 2 only. If you cube this we can have 8x cube. This 3 factorial is 6 here, and if you put power 4 here, it is nothing but 16x power 4 by 4 factorial is 24. So now we can have the brackets like this. Here from this two brackets I want to get the coefficient of x power 4. So which term if you multiply, if you simplify these brackets, we can have the coefficient x power 4 is 3 into 2 by 3. That is nothing but we can multiply. We should get the coefficient of x power 4, isn't it? So we can multiply these two so that we can have x power 4, and then this 4 into this term we can have that, and 3 into this term. These 3 we can multiply this so that we can have coefficient of x power 4. So that is 3 into 2 by 3. That's the first thing, and then minus 4 into minus 4 by 3, and then 1 into 3, so that we have 2 plus 16 by 3 plus 2. If you simplify these things, we have 26 by 3. 10th sum. Find the value of sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2 power n minus 1 into 1 by 9 power n minus 1 plus 1 by 9 power 2n minus 1. Here we want to find the summation, that is s infinity. It's nothing but n equal to 1 to infinity. So we want to find out the summation of this. So s infinity equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 cube plus 1 by 2 cube into 1 by 9 square plus 1 by 9 power 5. So now we have 1 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 9 plus 9 cube, 1 by 2 square into 1 by 9 square plus 1 by 9 power 5 plus etc. So the expansion is, the first one it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 9 plus 1 by 2 square into 1 by 9 square plus etc. And for this the second one 1 by 9 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 9 cube plus 1 by 2 square into 1 by 9 power 5. Like this it goes on. Again if you want to simplify this, we want to simplify. So we have 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 9 plus 1 by 2 square into 1 by 9 square plus etc. And then the next term it is 1 by 9 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 9 square plus 1 by 2 square into 1 by 9 power 4 plus etc. And then here for the first one we can write this as the summation, isn't it? So we can have the formula of AP, arithmetic progression, already we learnt in 10th standard. So 1 by 1 minus 1 by 18 plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 1 minus 81 into 2. It's nothing but the summation. We have the formula for summation of this thing. So already we have that s infinity equal to a by 1 minus r, where a is 1 and r is 1 by 81 into 2. So we can apply these two in the formula what is given here, so that the simplification is nothing but 18 by 17 plus 1 by 9 into 162 by 161. So if you multiply these two, we have 1449. So take LCM for these two, that is 24,633, and then cross multiply these two, we can have these two things, add this, so that we have 28,836. So if we divide this, we have the answer as 1.170.